President Joe Biden has been diagnosed with the prostate cancer, his office said on the Sunday, that is May 18. Mr. Biden was seen by the doctors last week after the urinary symptoms and a prostate nodule was found. Also, he was diagnosed with the prostate cancer on the Friday, that is May of 16, with the cancer cells having spread to his bone. While this represents a more aggressive form of a disease, the cancer appears to be hormone sensitive, which allows the effective management. Also, the office have said that the president and his families are reviewing the treatment options with his physicians. The prostate cancer have also given a score called a Gleason score that measures on the scale of 1 to 10 how the cancerous cell look compared with the normal cells. Mr. Biden's office said that his score was 9, suggesting his cancer is amongst the most aggressive. When prostate cancer spreads to the other parts of the body, it often spreads to the bone. Also, meta-sized cancer is much harder to treat than the localized cancer because it can be hard for the drug to reach all the tumors and completely root out the disease. However, when the prostate cancer needs hormone to grow, as in Mr. Biden's case, they can be susceptible to the treatment that deprives the tumors of the hormone. Wishes for his recovery. Many political leaders sent Mr. Biden their wishes for his recovery. President Donald Trump, a long-time political opponent, posted on the social media that he was saddened by the news and we wish Joe a fast and successful recovery. Also, Pete, who is Mr. Biden's transportation secretary, called the former president a man of deep faith and extraordinary resilience. The health of the Mr. Biden, who is now 82 years old, was a dominant concern among the voters during his time as president. After a calamitous debate performance in the June while seeking re-election, Mr. Biden abandoned his bid for a second term. Then the Vice President Kamala Harris became the nominee and lost to Mr. Trump, a Republican who also returned to the White House after a 4-year hiatus. Also, reject concerns about his age, but in recent days, Mr. Biden rejected concern about his age despite reporting in the new book, The Original Sins by the Jake Tapper and the Alec Thompson, that AIDS has shielded the public from the extent of the decline while serving as president. In the February 2023, Mr. Biden had a skin lesion reformed and removed from his chest that was a basal cell carcinoma, a common form of the skin cancer.